In front of me is TECNO Pop 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, use this plus at the bottom left corner. As to add a video file, hit video. Now tap on the chosen one and wait. In order to add an audio file, you can only create it right away and add it. To do it now, tap on voice, hold to record, and when you finished, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!